In this video, you will learn how to install projector headlights on a 2004 to 2007 Nissan Titan. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Using a flat tip screwdriver and a pair of pliers, release the plastic clips holding the grille onto the truck. Now carefully remove the grille. Remove two 8mm bolts located behind the fender liner, as you see here. Remove two more 8mm bolts you see here. Now disconnect the headlight harness, then remove the factory headlight. Remove the painted headlight trim from the headlight by sliding it towards the direction of the corner light, then pulling it outward. Now remove the two plastic clips that held the headlight trim onto the headlight. Disconnect and remove the headlight sub-harness from the factory headlight. Now transfer and install the headlight sub-harness onto the new projector headlight. Install two plastic clips onto the new projector headlight. Install the headlight trim by lining up the holes behind it with the plastic clips, then press firmly into position. Place the projector headlight in the stock location, then connect the headlight harness and replace the mounting bolts. Remove the plastic clips that were left on the radiator support. Now install the plastic clips onto the grille. Install the front grille, making sure the clips behind the grille and the mounting holes are lined up correctly, then press firmly into position. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.